Don't buy this brand. It doesn't taste good. It tastes like a fish. I don't like it. Thank you, Master. Fresh from Davao. Lunchtime.
Pati ayan, kaya na. Mabilisan nga lang ito. Paano ito magiging? 27 na ito.
Wow! But it's still hard. Huh? It's still hard.
Ano yung nasa rep?
Feeling kunafa and pistachios Dubai. So first time to taste this.
Ay, kukuha ka na ng
Oh
portion.
wow. Okay,
Ay,
I'll
ito.
get. Let me get this. Ba't ang litang kinukuha mo? It's still hard, so I'm gonna eat it later. Let's put it here.
Papalit namin, ganun. Wow.
Sarap. Ito. Sige lang pa.
Ay, sila kukuha ata sila. Humble lang. 5K talaga yan. Lagi ko lang yan. Madumi yan, ha?
Good.
Nasarap siya kay Salamat.
Ba't
Sige lang,
dito?
pero...
That's good. Sarap.
It's
Thank you,
nice.
Lester. Say hi.
Ito yung ano?
Nasarap niya.
Ano ba yun?
Finished. Inubos po nito.
Ba mo minibidyohan? Why are you videoing me?
Okay, let's taste the durian. Okay, so let's taste it. Durian tart from Lester. Fresh from Davao. Coffee, just in case I don't like the taste. Okay, one for you, one for me.
Bye. Nakakadri ka, Mike?
I don't like the smell.
Okay lang. Oh, it's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah. But it's nice.
It's nice, but I don't like durian, so I don't like it. I don't like it.
Okay.
I don't like it. I like the taste. By the way, this one is so good. If you like durian, go buy this one. I don't like it.
You don't like? Okay, more for me.
Yeah.
Damn, boy.
Well, he liked it. I liked it.
Well, it's tart. Hindi naman ako ma-apple sa desserts.
I don't like it. Let's wash
Durian
it.
is nice.
Let's wash it down with coffee.
Medyo malakas niya yung lasa.
Yeah, I know. Basta yun. Ayoko. This one is nice. I liked it. Okay.
Yung pastel.
This is from Lester as well.
I mean, nagpasabay ako. So, let's see how it looks
Oh, masarap yan pag mainit. No?
like. You want one? Of course.
Yeah. Just one.
I have it. Masarap to pag may init. Kasi
Yeah.
may feeling eh.
Okay, let's check the feeling. Ganito. Kaya masarap siya pag mainit kasi merong feeling sa loob.
Ay, alamig ang sarap niya.
Okay lang. I think mas gusto ko siya pag mainit.
Yeah. Tinry ko lang siya by curiosity. 2,000.
Yeah. So, what did you order?
Yung normal pa rin. The standard. Ay, nawala yung traffic ko. Kasi nandun yung traffic. Saan na yung ano ko?
Yang yogurt yung ay baka umalog-alog na. Mag-alog-alog na na.
Ano yan, nawawala yung kapagiran ng warmness ko. Malamig kasi. Oh, mga ano, sauces, saka mga karne.
Hindi sa inyo yata yun eh.
Can we switch places? Tasan ko lang ng ano ulit kasi siya matagal na. Hindi nandiyan yung gamit oh.
Yosi lang ako.
Hindi may visit pa kayo. Ayun oh. Saan madami siya? Sama siya. Not as sad as I think it is. So I guess I'm just like really preparing for my next journey. Oh, pwede mo tayo tabang libo.
How's it? How's it?
B-U-S-S-I-N-G. Buzzing.
Basin. Basin. This is, what's yours?
Yung casual lang. Tea, less ice, extra sugar. Magagalit si Doc Alvin.
Farewell to you. Farewell to you.
I need to practice my English sparring because next time I will be in BTC. Everyday I Starbucks.
Wow, everyday Starbucks. Pag nauuhaw, Starbucks, no?
I burn everyday 400 pesos.
Libre lang naman tubig sa Starbucks.